Yo, what up, good people? It's your boy Goats, Guys, like, I just wanna add on something, I'm saying, which said by the guy which goes by the name of Brother by Enigma. Yeah. I'm not trying to say like everything the guy said like is true, I'm saying, but I wanna talk upon the thing of being out from your body, I'm saying. That thing is true, I'm saying. I'm talking from experience. That thing do happen. Like it's something like I think it's last year or last of last year, I'm saying. I have experienced that type of thing, I'm saying. So guys, that thing do happen for real. It's not a lie, I'm saying. Like I'm not like I'm trying to promote